They only see what happens on game day. Don't see everything before it. No, they don't see that part. Yeah, walked in the room, pressure heavy on my chest, trying to stay composed while I'm still doing my best. Words got twisted, turned into a different story. I'm still turning up, though no applause, no glory. Training like some, but I felt out of place. Standing in the crowd, but I'm lost in the space. Tried to explain it, but it didn't go far. So I kept my head down, just played my part. Every session felt like I was under the weight, but I was still there early, never showed up late. People saw a moment, didn't see the grind, didn't see the rebuild happening in my mind. Still I stayed present when it got unclear, even when I wasn't sure why I was here. But I kept moving even through the doubt, just trying to figure what this whole thing's about. Feel like I'm moving through the pain and the doubt, through the noise in my head and the weight in my name. No crowd, no spotlight, just me and the grind. But I kept rebuilding what they tried to define. Still I kept moving through the pain and the doubt, through the noise in my head and the weight in my name. No crowd, no spotlight, just me and the grind. But I kept rebuilding what they tried to define. They saw gaps in the game, I saw I was in the dark, trying to piece myself back, restart from the start. Every drill, every run, every quiet return was another small lesson I had to learn. Even the ones close felt the weight of the room when the energy shifted and it all got cold too soon. But she stayed solid when the noise got loud. Only real one I could see in the crowd. No one saw the sessions when I wasn't at my best. Still I showed up anyway, never second guessed. Fitness wasn't perfect, but I stayed in the fight, even on the days where it didn't feel right. Coaches saw effort, not just numbers on a sheet, while I was rebuilding everything underneath. Slow progress, but I stayed in motion, even when it felt like I was stuck in slow motion. Then I stepped back indifferent, feeling the air, not trying to prove them wrong, just learning to care. Ball goes up, everything slows in my head. For a second I'm back where I know I'm instead. No noise, no past, no weight in my name. Just the rhythm of contest, just the game. Rock contest, timing, everything locked in place. Everything else disappears in that space. No doubt, no noise, no pressure.